The question screen shows the subject, the question number, and your name. When responding to a question, first read the question carefully and then review any pictures or charts. There are tools above the test question to help you complete your online test. The pointer tool is just like a mouse pointer. Use it to select other tools, move boxes, select answers, and perform other actions. You can also use the Tab key on your keyboard to move between tools, and then use the Enter key to select the tool. For some tools, the Escape key will close the tool. Use the Cross-Off tool to eliminate an answer choice that you believe is not correct. Note: in order to answer the question, you must select one of the answer choices using the pointer tool. Use the Highlighter tool to highlight important information. You can highlight most text and graphics within a test question. Remove all highlighting by selecting Clear All from the menu. Use the notepad to type notes you can use for future reference. You can reposition, close, and reopen the notepad. Cross-offs, highlighting, and notes will be saved with the question when you move to a different question. Use the magnifier tool to increase the size of the image on your screen. There are 4 magnification options. Use the scroll bars or your pointer to move around the screen. To close the magnifier tool, press the Escape key or select the magnifier tool and then select Off. Sometimes, a portion of a question will have a graphic that must be made bigger in order to clearly see it. The Select to Enlarge button will open the graphic in a larger format. Use the Line Guide tool to help you track a single line of text. Use the handle on the right side to drag the line guide. To close the line guide, select the tool again. Use the Masking tool to cover content that may be distracting. Select the masking box to resize and reposition. You can have more than one masking box, and you can hide, show, and delete them. When you have responded to a question, select the next arrow to move on to the next question. To move to a different question on the test, select the down arrow next to the question number and select a different question. Use the flag button to mark a question to remind you to review the question later. You can pause your test by selecting the Pause button. A test can only be paused for up to 20 minutes. You must select the Resume button before the clock counts down to 0. Select the Review or End Test button to see all the test questions you have flagged for review. You can go back to a question by selecting the question number. When you end your test, flags do not have to be removed. The responses to all flagged questions will still be scored. You also have access to certain advanced tools that will help you to respond to the test questions. More information about advanced tools can be found by watching the Advanced Tools tutorial videos. In addition to selecting your answer from answer choices provided to you, some questions on this test will require that you construct your response. More information about responding to open-ended test questions can also be found by watching the Advanced Tools tutorial videos.